So I'm going to install two types of blind mirrors today. One is going to be outside on the driver side mirror and one with the windshield inside the car. So this one is actually a rectangular mirror. It's quite good in its views and it's very clear. It's actually a real mirror, and that's the one I am going to place here. So you can see how much difference we can see. If you see with the normal mirror in the car, you can see tree just from the top and a house behind, whereas in this blind spot mirror we can see the car and the road as well, which gives extra view for us, like we can see how far and we can have a much area in our mirror. So I think so I placed it at the bottom, so I feel it's comfortable there. And I just want to use it on one side because on the right side I already have a camera there, so I don't bother much about that. And now this is the windshield mirror which I have attached here, so it is also of a good quality, and this gives even further view from that car, so we know how much area it covers. Now we can see there is a person coming behind, so you will see shortly. So in the first mirror it's gone, and in the first blind mirror outside you can see he's gone now, whereas in the third mirror we still can see, even same with the car. So it gives a nice view. Like all of these blind spot mirrors are really good, and the one inside the windshield is I feel that is much better because it gives more view, and there is no chance of damage to it, whereas the outside one can fall off, and it just depends which one we want. That's what it looks like from the outside when we see from the car. So hopefully you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.